Alright, you guys can see I removed all the grass here. I'm just filling it up, getting ready for springtime. Look at that. A lot of soil, a lot of land to grow beautiful tomatoes, peppers, kale, all that jazz. One of my neighbors here helping me out. You guys can see here, this is kale from last year. I'm letting it go to flower, so I can get the seeds, keep it as an heirloom. And I got more kale coming up here, some Brussels sprouts. Here I'll be planting some tomatoes, peppers, potatoes, a bunch of other stuff as well. Onion, garlic. This is kale from last year. Look at that. It is not growing because I planted it too late. So now look at that blooming. And it's also going to seed. But the leaves are super sweet because of the winter. As you guys know, brassica during the winter gets sweet. And during the summer, you shouldn't grow it because it's bitter as hell. Alright, I'll leave you guys later for another update, guys.